Hello guys, Merry Christmas everyone. This guys, ito ang nakabisihan ko last November. Na-install ako ng mga lights sa labas para sa fundraising namin for the kids sa Toys and Coats. Yan, yung area namin guys para yun itong Disneyland. There were 12 homes 12 homes is-synchronize yung mga lights house to house. And then there's a controller and yung lights na yan ang leader namin. Doon yun ang connection lahat sa internet. May control box each house para to connect to the internet. To synchronize the lights. Yan ngayon ako naka-chance na mag-vlog outside. Minumute ko yung yung music kasi CPR. Kasi yan, ang gamit nila isa FM station, non-stop na music sa FM station. Yan. It's freezing outside, kaya hindi ako naka-vlog. Ngayon lang ako naka-chance. Sa Christmas, a day before Christmas. Well, that was Christmas Eve. Yeah, Christmas Eve. No, that was the other night. Well, look at that. It's pretty. Shout out to all my members, super chatters, and especially to all my VIP members. Shout out Ma'am Flor, Perfina's Kitchen, Sir Transic Official, Kuya Bud's Vlog, Papa TV, Angel of Labason and Helen in Germany, Jericho. Shout out to my member super chatter, VIP member super chatter, Sir Jesse Pinario and Aisha Channel. Shout out to my longtime friend, Kaamoy yung Vlog. Merry Christmas, host! Sa lahat ng mga supporters sa Pauline MM Vlog, Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. And thank you sa pagmamahal. Yan ang mga lights guys. Yan ang yard namin. Very simple lang kasi napapagod na kasi ako. Maginaw kasi sa labas. Yan ang area na nagla-live ako. Yan. Yung may brickstone behind that. Yan, look. It's pretty. Maganda kasi once na na yung Christmas song. Yan, mag-synchronize sa mga lights na pinoprogram nila. Pinoprogram yun sa computer. Yan ang there's a park in the middle, just small park. Yan, may ginger house yan. Shout out to my family. Shout out to Mami Melly Vlog. Shout out to Mark and Melly channel. Shout out to my friends in London, my member Super Chatter Abit TV, and my member supportive member my channel Kadungog, and also shout out to my Super Chatter, my silver member Manny C. Villar. Thank you sa inyong lahat guys. Thank you again sa walang sawang suporta ni Pauline. Shout out to KZ and Kadkazim. Shout out to sa mga bago kong members guys. Shout out to my supportive friend, Chavensis Official. Yan sa park yan, guys, sa park yan. Sa may ginger house. Today guys, ano pa kami dito? Pasko pa. December 25, sa gabi pa kami dito. Yan ang gawa kong star, oh. Ilagay ko sa harap ng bahay. Now look at the lights. And then, tomorrow or the next day, we have to remove all the lights na naman. Kasi until Christmas lang ito. Then, tomorrow or the next day, yan, magtanggalan na sa mga lights sa yard. Kasi sa New Year, iba na naman. Fireworks na naman.